Let's see you go in circles. Can you do it again? Go in a circle. Caleb, put the bottle in your mouth and go in a circle. You're not going to do it. Caleb, why don't you go in a circle? Oh, you don't want to? You're going to make a mess. There, now keep going. Go around in your circle. Go in a circle. There he goes. Keep going. You were spinning around and around a minute ago. There he goes. There we go. Good job. Funny baby. Caleb, can you say bye-bye? Caleb, can you say bye-bye? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Whee! Good job. You must have a slippery diaper. You can go around and around. Whee! Whee! Uh-oh. Don't fall over. It's a hard floor. Caleb, say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.